Pictory.ai is an amazing tool designed to make video creation both easy and efficient. Today, I'm excited to share with you a special offer that allows you to save 20 on any Pictory plan using my exclusive discount code SAVE50. This discount is applicable for as long as you remain a Pictory user, providing you with ongoing savings. To get started, simply click the link provided in the description. This will take you to a registration screen where you can sign up for a free trial by entering your name, email, and creating a password. Once you've completed this step, Pictory will send a verification code to your email address. After entering the verification code, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. It's important to note that you won't be charged until you select a plan. To redeem your discount code, click the upgrade button and select the plan that best suits your needs. During the checkout process, enter the code SAVE50. This will instantly apply the 20 discount, saving you over $93. The discount will automatically be applied each time your plan renews, ensuring you continue to enjoy savings. All Pictory plans include access to StoryBlocks, an extensive library of video assets. The starter plan, priced at $19 per month, provides access to millions of video clips and images. For those looking for additional features such as hyper-realistic voices from 11 Labs, the professional plan offers a comprehensive set of tools for advanced video creation. In addition to StoryBlocks access, Pictory offers AA voice narration, subtitles, captions, and the ability to resize your content for various platforms. These features, combined with the StoryBlocks library, deliver exceptional value to Pictory users. To take advantage of this exclusive offer, click the link in the description and use the code SAVE50 at checkout.
Experience the ease and efficiency of Pictory.ai for yourself and unlock your creativity today.